All right, let's keep it going. What do you say?
All right. Hey, part of the deal for setting up this live stream was that the condition was Goldie wanted us to get him some extra subscribers, and the agreement was that he would shoot net this live stream for us. So I just want to take a moment and thank everybody who took the second to do the click. Everybody who subscribed to this, taking the one moment and making that click on YouTube was how we got this set up. So I'm going to read off a list of names.
Oh, nice.
Of course, we have everybody in the band who subscribed. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge, I hope. What others? Ethan Barker, Ryan Kilgrew, Rick Romano, John Lee, Alex Randolph, Pete Lewis, Mike Danforth, Kevin Stewart, Brett Keating, Janice Baugh, Bernie Cardell, Andy Sievers, Joe Hoffman, Max Moore, Sar Schnittman, Jack Hoeksema, Tommy Vandenberg, Ellie Dunlap, Eric Richards, Eli Dougal, Nick Simons, Jake Hirschman, Ben Markley, Gino Hernandez, Dave Cormier, Eileen Sullivan, Danny Sullivan, Kathy Sullivan, Julie Ryan Silva, Marcy Gauer, Jack Gauer, Jana Dorfman, Jordan Williams, Francine Grattan, Daniel Wilson, Carl Lundgren, Chris Bodie, Shane Reeder, Eric Wallace, Elizabeth Twazon, Nicole Austin, David Walls, Greta Robeson, Davey Shano, Emmett Orr, Phil Griffin, Patrick Myron, and Tyler Steffes. And if I forgot anybody, you can slap me on the wrist for that. But hopefully at least a few of you were watching at home. It'd be a little weird if you subscribed and then didn't watch the stream. Just kidding.
They're all here. We're into 500 and now 6 people.
All right, 506. That's wow. Hey, we always say the benchmark for jazz is if you can get more people in the audience than on stage, you won. If you can fight the audience, that's a bad sign. I don't think we could fight off 506 people between the 8 of us. So, yeah, thank you, audience, for outnumbering us. That's a big deal in the jazz world.
We're cheersing back here.
All right, I'm gonna once more go around and introduce everybody in the band. Let's start with the order of the solos we had on that last tune. Sonia Walker on the piano. Jake Surratt on the tenor sax. Gabe Gravano on the drums. Also, tip of the hat to Van Powell, doing those long modal walkie bass tunes for as long as they are. I mean, that's a tall order for any bass player, and R.I.P. Van's hands. But yeah, Van's the man for not getting carpal tunnel playing that last tune. Important job, holding down the fort. I'll quit yakking. Ben Parrish on the guitar. And playing all those crazy lead lines on the last tune on the soprano sax, Jeremy Wendelin. Playing a bunch of that crazy high stuff, Tony Zader on the trumpet. My name's John Gauer. This is the John Gauer Octet. We've got one more tune for you tonight. This one, encouraged but not required audience participation. I realize that if you're at home, that doesn't actually work for audience participation. When we do this one live, it works a little better. Those of you in the house, you can join in for audience participation on this one. You'll pick up on it.
Here, let me help you with the microphone because
sure.
I want that on for this.
Okay.
Yeah,
Cool.
I'm going to be your mic stand.
All right. This tune's about Twitter.
All right, here we go.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Let's get canceled. Let's get canceled. Canceled. 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 Let's get canceled. Let's get canceled. Let's get canceled. Let's get canceled.
Yeah, friends. Yeah, wow, and thank you. Thank you for a fine night of music. You guys are, you done?
Who's got the mic?
Damn it, you know? Oh, it's right in front of you. It's on the table right there. Yeah, my bad. I got really excited when we were doing the whole thing.
No sweat.
You guys want to go for like 2-3 more hours? Like, not a problem?
What time is it anyway?
It's 12:30 now with the daylight savings.
Oh, nice. and that makes it 1:48 in Baltimore, right?
Yeah. Hey, we've got Scoop. Scoop's in the house tonight. Scoop is the he's the engineer for the radio station thing. What do they call that? iHeartRadio. Yeah.
Oh, sick.
He's here tonight. Say hi to Scoop.
Hi, Scoop.
He'll be responsible for one day if your song ever plays on the radio. He's the
There you
guy.
go.
He's the guy. Rob slides in here. He is jocking. He's obviously a sound guy because he's like a little bit positive and mostly grumpy. He's like, I love what I'm hearing, but damn it, there's some sound issues. It's not an issue. It's just that you're going to pick it apart until you die.
It's a feature, not a bug, right?
No, it's cool. No, Rob Slide's cool. And because why? Because anytime, if anyone ever says we have a sound issue, which we don't, we all take shots. So
Nice.
Keenan out of Salt Lake City incited that. And so shots have been taken. So Rob Slide, Keenan, thanks for being here. Sean Nelson. Who's Sean Nelson?
Oh, dude, Sean, he's one of my old college buddies.
Dude, he's still old, and he's still your buddy, and he's in that chat room.
Hey, Sean, thanks thanks for tuning in, buddy. Always loved playing music with you, and I know you're killing it out on the East Coast, and miss you. I hope we see each other in person again one of these decades.
It's going to happen.
Yeah,
It's going to
hopefully.
happen. It's going to happen because of this live stream right here.
Hopefully.
We're bringing people together via YouTube.
Awesome.
Any last words? Are there, what should we know?
One more time, one more hand for this great band.
Yo!
Also, I got to point out Tony, Jeremy, and Gabe. This is their first time playing this set of music. Our regulars couldn't make the dates for what we've got going on this month, so these three stepped in and learned this music from scratch about 2 weeks ago. So extra big round of applause for them.
Nice.
Tony Zader on the trumpet, Jeremy Wendelin on the alto and soprano saxophones, Jake Soren on the tenor sax, Sonia Walker on the piano, Gabe Gravano on the drums, Van Powell on the bass, Ben Parrish on the guitar. My name's John Gauer. Hope you all have a fantastic night. Thanks for tuning in.
That is the word, ladies and gentlemen. And as far as YouTube goes, you know how the thing goes. If I don't say please like and subscribe to my particular feed, they will cancel me as well. So please like and subscribe. That's the word, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for being here tonight. John Gauer Octet, the crew behind me, we are out.